Welcome to the Welcome Heritage Panjamin. The building is Goa's first heritage hotel, built in the 1880s by my ancestor Francis Assis Silveira and renovated by my dad and converted into a heritage hotel. You are in the heart of Fontainhas. Fontainhas is the Latin quarter of Goa. It's famous for its charm and winding streets and a way of Goan life, which is sossegado, which means basically to enjoy life and take it as it comes. So we are both a hotel with 24 rooms. We have an old wing which is 12 rooms, which is being kept as it is. We have a new wing which is another 12 rooms which have been redone in the old style. And the restaurant is a great place to have a sossegado moment in Goa. You can just sit on the balcony, watch life go by. And we hope to see you here more often. There are 3 heritage buildings right in the heart, offering a slice of Goan life.
It's a very nice bed and breakfast located in Fontainhas, in like Goa's old Latin quarter. So if you like walk outside, you feel the charm even here. It's a lot of it is very vintage, very old, still preserved. A lot of Portuguese vibe, a lot of Portuguese architecture around. In fact, the entire Fontainhas is known as Goa's old Latin quarter.
हांव गुंडू उलयतां फ्रॉम जोजफ बार. म्हाज्या सगळ्या आनेकांक मोग आसूनी आनी तुमकां देव बरें करूं म्हणटा हांव. आनी तुमी सगळ्यांनी जोजफ बाराक येवचें. आमच्यो तांबड्या रोजां स्पेशल कॉकटेल आहा तो पिवचो. आनी मुद्दाम तुमी विजीट दियात जोजफ बाराक आनी आमची तांबड्या रोजां टेस्ट करची. आनी मोग आसून तुमकां सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं.
So come to Joseph Bar and try the Tambre Rosa cocktail.
Yes sir.
Thank you.